Hi everybody, welcome to 7 Club Boulevard in West Orange, New Jersey. This is a gorgeous 1925 built Tudor style house with all of the modern amenities. Come on, let's show you around. Living room features a wood burning fireplace, charming built-ins, and gleaming wood floors. This home features a spacious, updated kitchen with tons of cabinet storage and luxury appliances by Kitchen Aid&Bosch. Take a look at all of this awesome built-in storage in the primary bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom. Now come on, I'll take you up one more floor. Now my favorite part of this beautiful home, this fully finished attic suite. Gorgeous. Now let's go down to the fully finished basement. Come down to the lower level to the fully finished basement for additional living space and your laundry. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I will see you on the next one.